Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to join text. So there are 3 different ways to join text in columns. The first way I'm going to show you is by using the ampersand. So you click on the first cell, then you're going to click on the ampersand or choose the ampersand symbol, and then you're going to put a space and hit the space bar or comma, space, comma, ampersand again, and then the last cell. That's going to give you Susan Jones. So that's the first way. The second way we can do this is by using the concatenate formula. So I type in equals CON, and when I double click there, then I'm just going to add the first cell, making sure again I put a space and a quotes in between. Click the second one. And then the last one is to use something called text join. So that's the text join formula. This time I'm going to use the insert function dialog box. And we have the choice of putting in a delimiter. And the delimiter is going to be a space. And then we're going to go ahead and, again, choose the first name, which is Susan, and then Jones. And that's it. And then I'm going to autofill.